The day I was born, my father took me in his arms and said, "Every father wants to make something of his son, but I want to see my daughter reach the stars, become a business tycoon." As I grew up, his dreams became my ambition. I was born in the Indian city of Hyderabad in a business family, which inculcated in me the strong values of honesty, gratitude, and loyalty. Initially, I went to a school where academics held prime importance, yet, we had several activities which molded me into an all rounder. In grade 11, I decided to take a leap of faith and move to a boarding school. This experience made me an independent and a stronger person who never turns her back to any challenge, takes up every opportunity which comes her way to quench her thirst for learning. The real eye-opening episode was my journey at Shriram College of Commerce, the most prestigious business undergrad school in India. The fierce competition among the smartest minds humbled me, and I came to realize how much more I need to do to be successful in this tireless world. I started exploring my leadership potential at a young age. As the house captain in school, I started to understand people, learned how to motivate my team, and in due course have become a people's person. However, I truly honed my leadership potential when I was in college. I was elected as the organizing coordinator of the debating society. My team was known for the close-knit, self-motivated culture which I was able to inculcate within it. In my tenure as the head, I worked in every vertical, acting as an HR manager, as the head of corporate affairs, as a crisis manager, and as an overseer taking care of the society and events from conceptualization to execution. The entrepreneur within me spotted an opportunity in the college setup. There was no official platform through which students could seek internships. I, along with my 3 friends, founded SRCC's internship cell, Internado. We hosted the first internship fair, which involved the participation of over 625 students.
Apurva is an extremely warm person. She keeps all of us connected.
Apu is very dependable. She's always there whenever you need her.
An absolute genius. She comes up with the most innovative ideas to solve problems.
Apurva goes an extra mile to help her loved ones.
Genuine. If you ask her for advice, you can be sure you will hear nothing but the truth.
Behind this strong woman, there's a caring, childlike girl.
Growing up in various parts of the country and traveling to several continents, I have befriended people all across the globe. Coming from a business family, I was born with an affinity for numbers and finance. When the numbers in a balance sheet tallied, I knew I had a peaceful night's sleep ahead. Nurturing my love for finance, I took up the CFA program and now stand here a proud candidate having completed all 3 levels. The one thing without which my description would be incomplete is dance. I started dancing at the age of 3 and have been professionally trained in Bharatanatyam, a classical dance form which truly allows me to express myself to the fullest. Art and intellect aside, I also thoroughly enjoy the rush I get from horse riding and skydiving. I think, I feel, I see, I reflect, and I accomplish. See you guys at Stern next year.